Hello students, good morning. This is your maths teacher, Mrs. Geeta Lunti. I am here with the presentation of maths. In this presentation, we will learn chapter time for class 3. So let's start chapter time. So students, in this chapter, we will learn how to tell the time. As you all know, everything in this world is going with time. So let's learn how to tell the time. So first, telling time to the hour. As you can see here, a clock is there with numbers with started from 1 to 12, and you can see two hands are there. One is with red color and one is with green color. So here in this clock, the red hand is at 3 and the long hand is it on 12. So now let's start what we call the hands and how to tell the time in hours. Here you can see a dial. The face of a clock is called dial. A dial is given to you and the hands are not there. Now we will show the hands. The green hand is long hand and we called it minute hand. The name of this long hand is minute hand because it shows the minutes. And the red hand is called hour hand because it shows the hour. So the hour hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12. So that means the time is 3 o'clock. So students, there are 60 minutes on a clock face. Means 60 minutes represent 1 hour. You can see or you can use 5 table or you can use skip 5 counting. How? Let's see it. 5 minutes, at 2 10 minutes, at 3 15, 20, at 5 25, at 6 30, at 7 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Means when minute hand take a round on the face of the clock, that means it completing 60 minutes and 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. So students, revise once again. The long hand is minute hand because it shows minute. You can see it is written here. And the hour hand is a short hand, it shows hour. You can learn it like this also. Short hand and the spelling of hour is short than minute, so it is hour. Minute, the spelling of minute is long, that means it is long hand and it shows minutes. This is the way to learn it. Students, as I told you, when minute hand is pointing to 12, so the time is read o'clock. In this case, you can see the minute hand is pointing 12 and the hour hand is pointing 3. That means the time is 3 o'clock. Let's see one more example. Here in this clock, minute hand is pointing 12 and hour hand is pointing 5. So the time is 5 o'clock. So students, we have learnt about the hour hand. Now what about the little hand, the hour hand? Hour hand moves very slowly because when hour hand moves from one number to another number, it means it's a whole hour. Means when minute hand complete a round on the face of a clock, means 1 hour. So minute hand move fast than hour hand. Hour hand moves very slowly. Students, clock is divided into 4 quarters. You have learned about quarter in fraction also. You can see here in this picture, clock is divided into 4 equal parts, and you can see 1 2 3 in 1 quarter, 3 4 5 6 in 1 quarter, 7 8 9 in 1 quarter, 10 11 12 in 1 quarter. Means each quarter represent 15 minutes. Each quarter represent 15 minutes. So now learn how to read this time. Here you can see the minute hand pointing 3. 3 means 15 minutes and the hour hand is at 7. So the time is 7:15. I told you each quarter is of 15 minutes. You can say 7:15 or we can write 7:15. Now observe this. Here the minute hand pointing the numeral 9. At 9 we have 45 minutes. And the hour hand is between 4 and 5. That means 4. So the time is 4:45. Means 15 minutes are left for 5. 15 minutes are left for 5. And you can say 4:45. Both the time are same. We can say 4:45 or we can say 4:45. Now in this the minute hand pointing 6. 6 means 30 minutes. At 6 we have 30 minutes and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. That means the time is 2:30 or we can say 2:30 or we can say 2:30. So students, watch this video and practice of time at your home by watching this video. Thank you so much.